The while statement. The while statement is used to continually execute a block of statements while a condition remains true. The while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a Boolean condition remains true. The syntax of the while loop is given below. While expression statement or while expression statements. Working mechanism. Here, when the while loop is encountered, the expression is evaluated first. If it evaluates to true, then statement or block of code body of while loop will be executed. When the end of the body is reached, the expression is evaluated again. If it is false, execution will continue with the next statement following the while loop. If it is true, the body of the while loop will be executed again. The body of the while loop will continue to be executed until the expression evaluates to false. No more. The situation when the expression never evaluates to false and the while loop keeps on executing forever is called infinite loop. A common cause of infinite loop is that the programmer forgot to put a statement that changes part of the expression in the body of the loop. Example 4. Program to print a series of numbers. Example 5. Program to print Fibonacci series. Example 6. Program to print a series of even numbers. The do-while loop. The do-while loop executes the body of the loop depending on a certain condition. The do-while loop enables your code to repeatedly execute a block of code until a Boolean expression evaluates to false. It is almost identical to the while loop, except the expression is evaluated at the bottom of the loop rather than the top. This means that the contents of the loop will always be executed at least once. The syntax of do-while loop is given as do statement while expression or do statement or statements while expression. The keyword begins with the do construct. This is followed by a statement or a block. Next is the keyword while, followed by the parenthesis containing an expression that must evaluate to a Boolean value. Working mechanism. When a do loop is encountered, the statement or block following the do keyword is executed. When the do loop body completes its execution, expression is evaluated. If it is false, execution will continue with the next statement following the loop. If it is true, the body of the do loop will be executed again. The body will continue to be executed until the expression evaluates to false. Example 7. Program to print a series of numbers using do-while loop. Example 8. Program to determine the LCM of two numbers. While loop versus do-while loop. In while loop, the body of the loop will not be executed if the test condition given evaluates to false. But in case of do-while loop, the body of the loop will be executed at least once even if the test condition is false, because test condition is evaluated after the execution of the body of the loop.